Here's some spiritual beings trivia. Subscribe. What type of spirit is believed to guide people in Native American cultures? Is it A, totem, B, demon, C, angel, or D, ghost? The correct answer is A, totem. What term is used for benevolent spirits in Japanese folklore? Is it A, yokai, B, shinigami, C, oni, or jorogumo? The correct answer is A, yokai. What are the spiritual beings that guard treasures in Slavic folklore? Is it A, Leshi, B, Baba Yaga, C, Domovoi, or D, Rusalka? The correct answer is C, Domovoi. Name the spiritual beings often depicted as companions in Norse mythology. Is it A, giants, B, Valkyries, C, angels, or D, demons? The correct answer is B, Valkyries. Which spiritual being in Buddhism symbolizes compassion? Is it A, Brahma, B, Vishnu, C, Avalokiteshvara, or D, Mara? The correct answer is C, Avalokiteshvara. What is the name of the spiritual force in Japanese Shintoism that embodies nature? Is it A, kami, B, ethereal force, C, deity, or D, spirit guide? The correct answer is A, kami. Which being is associated with enlightenment and wisdom in many Eastern religions? Is it A, Hermes, B, Socrates, C, Zoroaster, or D, Buddha? The correct answer is D, Buddha. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.